Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, A Wadadlian Journey. Today, I'm still in Whitey Kubuli. Today, I'm doing two videos because I'm trying to do two places. I'm pretty excited about both. One of them though is very sweet, while the other one is very naturey. So come with me and let's go explore. I wonder if I should cut this into two videos. We'll see. Honestly cannot get over these roads. Every time I have to come around to the airport, I am a punk because I prefer to be driving, and of course Shadi's the driver today because I hate the roads, and I just cannot trust people to drive me around here. But yeah, still on the journey. So we're now leaving Ansdeme, I think, and if we turn up this way, we would enter Bence. I was actually supposed to go to Bence, but I'm late as usual, so I missed that. So we're gonna keep going to the left, and I think the next village is Hampstead. Not sure, I think so. So we're almost at our location. I think I said earlier that it was in Ansdeme. I'm not sure if all here is Ansdeme or if we just ended, if Ansdeme just ended back there. But we're still going and we're almost there. The greenery. Some people will say this just looks like a place that's underdeveloped, while others say it's untouched. So what do we say? I think we say untouched. And we're at our location. Now what could I possibly be looking at here? So guys, I'm finally at the location where I said we're going to try to visit. So on average, we pay a lot of money outside of Dominica for land that has a lot of countries or just have beautiful things on it, right? So my friends and family member, I think we visited sometime last week, and they were just pointing out different things. Well, right after I started begging for all kinds of different things, but they started pointing out so many different things that their yard had. So it's like, wow, you know, the average person in Dominica has access to so many beautiful things, or so many things that we have to pay for. And as an Antiguan, I know we have a lot of great things, but when it comes to nature and just the things that we have to spend so much money for, and they just have it at their grasp, I decided to just feature their home, their land. very humble home, yet still there's so many things that you can do here. So if you look to my left, it's my left, right? Yeah. You see that little tree right here? It's what we call calabash. So I've been looking all over. I've been looking all over for a calabash tree so I can make a bag, like summer bag. And I couldn't find it anywhere. However, here, I'm you don't want to see how I was last trying to get one breadfruit from that tree. I boiled, I fried, and I steamed from the one breadfruit because yeah, breadfruit licorice. So and then just after that, there's a tree that I think as a child we used to call it fat pork, but some people don't even call it zigzag. Zigzag? Okay. So I got that. It's purplish colored food. If it's not really ready, it ties up your mouth. And of course, yes, but here them people can we see they just want to show off their yard. Give me a little time now, I'm gonna show them. So we're gonna do just a little, and that's just on my left hand side. Then we're gonna go on the right hand side where they live eventually, and they have planted and all kind of things. But most importantly, there is something I'm gonna show you. Adventure man. That's not so greedy. You don't want me to see the red fruit. It's okay. Don't fall on my account, please. Jesus. So how much I go down here? Okay. Go higher. No man, we can't go further.
Go higher, only you'll see.
So that's the zika.
Yeah.
Let me taste it on camera. I had last week about licorice. So oh, look at it first. And I'm not even washing it. Jesus, boy.
If you go up higher, you will see everything.
That's what I look on the outside.
Yeah.
So my cameraman going further. I can't make it.
Yes. Yo.
Hey.
Miss. You can. Take a few steps. Take a step.
This week somebody was telling me about you.
Okay. Oh, it's loaded. I said loaded with fruits.
And we check back in alone, you want to stay?
I'm not in the
That's tamarind there.
yeah, I'm ready.
Let's try to get a tamarind.
And that's passion fruit over there. And this
Julie,
is so really.
go and try to pick a tamarind.
It's okay.
Look, I'm gonna pull it down for you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. I thought you wanted to.
It's okay.
Okay, cool.
Make a good fox.
Sometimes
Oh, Neil?
when I name the Jamaican, sometimes I just want to tell Enzo, how many be, and say, boy, I just want to know the The crazy thing about this is that it's not a farm. It's just where somebody lives. Can you imagine? It's not a farm. That's just what their backyard look like. What is this? An outhouse?
A kitchen.
A kitchen?
Yes, you can see
He says a kitchen.
You can put the food. You can put your pot. You can put the pot.
Okay.
Firewood there, and the pot over it. Once cook, you put in a side that the dresser, and then if you have if you want to dry up fish, while you have fire down here, smoke and heat, drying the fish or meat
I need to learn how to roast some
Okay.
fish.
or meat over the fire.
Yeah, man.
Snacks for the road. Snacks for the road.
Now it is good. You see how it is dry there?
Shadi?
We will fix some and make some juice. You don't have.
Okay.
Let me tell you,
Look at it up, eh?
had I seen that tree anywhere else, I would have thought that is manganiel. So we have some that look like manganiel. A home. It almost
Check
looks
it out.
like
Check it out.
that. That's in, when you go to the beach, you know, you can't get it on your skin or on your eye. That looked very much like it. But apparently it's not. So as you can see, if you look around, it's just blessings upon blessings upon blessings. Let me tell you, blessings. The only thing I don't see yet for me to just lose it is avocado.
Look at it. It's like young.
It's young, thank God, it's young. If it had, oh my Lord. Breadfruit and avocado, I think, those are the two natural, or the two, what do you call it, provision, food thing that they have in Dominica that I have a weakness for. Tomorrow morning, I'll be making a video. My first time roasting a breadfruit on my own. I'm going to try. I hope I roast it properly.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, and there's sorrel. Sorrel doesn't only come out for Christmas time?
Oh, this is sorry. Oh, this is sorry.
It doesn't only come out for Christmas time? Oh, so the tree will be around now and then Christmas time.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we can go on the other side now? We're going down into the yard now. The actual Go ahead. He said he take me to his coconut oil factory. Do you have a dog?
No.
Just Ezo?
Yes. Only.
Ezo only.
Only dog.
Now that I know the word gatiwas, I'll be using it.
All right. Yeah.
There's a pomerac tree there.
Yeah. This water is coming off all the way from the ravine. You see in the pipe here?
Okay.
The pipe. The pipe is coming all the way from the ravine up, higher up.
What is a ravine? A river?
A small
A
stream.
okay.
Stream.
All right.
Good.
Let
And then
my
you
viewers.
have water coming through the pipe. That pipe's in it. Okay?
So you didn't have to go get government water?
No. And
Look
then
here.
you have the bathroom here. The bathroom here. Where you can bathe under the bathroom. Okay, from the stream. Good. Then you have also in the kitchen.
As for sure, everybody business.
Come, in the
Enough is enough.
Yes, in the kitchen you have stop that. In the kitchen you have the same, you have the water come.
Ezo.
Ravine water from the stream to the kitchen, so you don't have to use the to expose water. Okay? Right, your sink is right here, and you don't have to pay a bill every month.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Alexon. Yes. Okay, that's the same ravine.
So are you making the coconut?
Okay, the
What's
coconut.
that? What's that here? The
That
kitchen?
is your kitchen, yes. So we can have firewood.
So it's set up, Shadi, to get it?
What?
It's set up the same way like over there?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There's the next one.
And this is the thing that we make the coconut with.
You make the coconut oil?
Oil,
Oh, wow. Okay, no, okay. Before you do all this, you have to show me where you put the coconut and
Yes.
how does it work?
Break the coconut.
Look, that's the coconut oil.
Wow. Let me smell it. I can't sample it. I'm gonna smell it. I don't think I can taste it. Oh wow. This just the smell reminds me of my grandma. Yeah. Smell.
Yeah, it smells strong.
Oh, yeah. So I think they're going to show us how it's done. If you're not blown away yet
Well-
by simplicity with so much blessings, I don't know what.
That dirty.
No, man. It's so easy. You can open a coconut. Look at this. The man have so much coconut until he even had rotten coconut.
Yes. To make
While I out here buying coconut powder,
see.
Ezo has so many till they're rottening. Okay, no, God go punish you.
So,
I don't want to start to talk about his singing, but I need to do a video about his music because he's a singer. His music is different. I don't want to say it's calypso, but it is calypso. It normally tells a story, a very funny story. I don't know the exact way you would describe the genre, but another time, and maybe I can come and record the process that you actually went about to make this, the entire process, and not just in another video, guys. Let me know if you're interested in having that one done.
this fill in the coconut.
And so that is not a pickaxe?
Yeah.
Jesus is Lord.
So we do that.
Wait, sorry.
My pants bottom will always come out with it.
I need peel one.
Yes. Good.
What?
Peel this one.
No, man.
Peel this one.
Go closer, you can see where she's going.
Good.
More
So,
again?
yeah. And show your face. Who is doing that?
Oh, yes.
Good.
Yeah.
That's fast.
Wow. So wait, so you can open a coconut in less. So basically, you open a coconut in less than a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, we have 2 little coconut factory here. 1 and 2. So after you take that coconut, you open it. Okay.
So with this coconut, we have to do it better. We only try the method.
Yeah, we'll come back to do the whole process of making the oil.
Yes,
We'll
but,
have
but just to
show for today.
show.
Yeah, we understand.
Okay.
I recently saw somebody just
So we have this.
hold on. I recently saw somebody applying heat to this part of the coconut, and then it just slides out after.
Yeah, to make copra.
Ooh.
You see this? It's just a means of a way, but when we complete a better box, you only try the method, okay? So when everything will be, we have to build a better one, and then we can full up the box here with enough coconut and have a cover with a rubber giving it tension. So as we grating the coconut, right? So it's pressing and the coconut just gets flat. And it's falling down below.
So normally we'll have something catching it.
Something catching it. Right? And then, right. So you see all that falling in the box below. And then we take everything put together and then we put everything together. We squeeze it, we add water to it, and we squeeze it, and then we put it to rest in that the oil come up over the water and it make that cream. And it's that we're picking up and we gather in and we put it in a pot to boil, and while it boil, then it turns to the oil. And simple as this. Okay, so that's a method we're using that we don't have to grate to say so. That is
How you came up with that method?
huh?
How you came up with
Because
your
we-
grandparents?
cassava.
Mm.
No cassava.
This cassava oil?
No cassava farin.
Oh, they have to do the same process of
Yeah.
grating. Oh,
Or grating.
I don't know how to make
And
farin.
before you take
And you
the
see
grater
what's
and
Not that, no, not those way.
and so also you know CMOS. Well, we also
I'll come
put it-
another day so I can do a whole one about this. And okay,
Yeah,
so guys, the most exciting part is up ahead. So right now I need you to
And-
start
and
guessing what you
see
think.
this?
What you
Sarah?
think is coming
Sarah,
next. All right, because the most exciting part for me is coming next.
So this is the potato vine,
Okay.
and this is the potato. So today we was in the field, digging. We say replanting.
Okay.
Replanting. So while we replanting, so this is still in the ground. So this is the vine that we're using. Okay, we just break it like this, or we just cut that to get a plant. A plant, and then that alone is a plant. And we put it and then give us the potato in at least 4 months.
Wow.
We're going to the spring.
What's your chicken name? We're going somewhere. Shall we call? Oh, guys, as usual, I'm behind here dying. But this is a short walk. Anytime Dominican says a short walk, dead in time. Wait, want to snake?
No, them. When they go in hurricane shelter and they have not come out. Come back. See.
Jesus God.
When that tree reach your head, hey!
I don't know if I can make.
Let's go. You can make it. It's not far.
Jesus God.
When that tree reach there now, that's it.
It had to reach here because I was coming, right? Could be what? Could be what? Murder! And I have to walk on this edge? You see what adventure does do me? So guys, bear in mind that this is literally, we just came from the yard. So this is a minute away, huh? Okay. Fall down, better fall down. Yes, Manelli Father. Oh, Jesus. Okay. No. Well, let me tell you, I couldn't run in bush fancy. Hi. How are you? I'm just vlogging. I'm almost there. We met someone at the place where we're going.
I have a bottle here. I hold it. Let me jump to that.
No man, a dunghill too?
Yes.
Okay, Shadi, go ahead. I'll wait. Just capture it for them. I can't do this. I can't bother with it. Can't bother with it.
You must be brave here now.
Oh, God, I'm good.
Yeah. We cannot say how deep this water is coming out from underground. We cannot say how deep, but eventually it came from where I doesn't know, but then it reached. It's coming out right here under this rock, from under this huge tree. Can you see up this roots?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this is one of the
Come
best
here,
water.
Lemon tree,
It's
Oh,
always
yeah,
fresh
it's a
and
tall
cool.
tree.
tall tree, and then it's tall tree.
All we got to do is to come there. You must tell Alex and them when they come here, healthy, clean day. It doesn't take them nothing to actually just clean the day so that the bottle can go lower.
So here, sulfur too. That orange look like sulfur.
But
Sulfur
I don't know
deposit.
exactly what
Sulfur
it
and
is.
volcanic, no?
It's just dropping down here, but not
Good.
sulfur.
So this
Normally when you see
this
those
is how we
colors.
get this fresh drinking water.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot of vitamin. All right. And this is flowing to the sea, which is about, let's say, about 1,000 yards from
Okay.
the
Okay.
I guess my punky behavior started with me and my family. Because clearly he's not a punk. He's in this middle of this bush all by himself. Look at this. Anyway. Really? Okay. So, I'm in the middle of the bush. I feel brave because they left me here because I couldn't make it any further.
Like you looking at me, you're doing what I'm
so it's in fuel collection there. You can use it.
Hey? Just there. Maybe like
Jump like a while, right?
20 meters.
And I said, if I had made that jump, my spine would stay in the sky. But guys, I hope you had a very good time down there. I'll see it on camera. So I can hold on to you. Lovely.
There's a liquid stampy.
Okay.
A little what?
Stampy that your foot goes, your children go in.
It's like, there's a little one?
This one, come up.
What'd you say?
Look, there's stampy. That's soft.
Oh, soft. Oh, okay.
It's soft.
Oh, I thought you were saying there's a little yam here or something.
Wait, Shadi. Oh, yeah. Jesus is Lord. Great.
Look there, he's talking about it. Where your
Yeah, I see
your
it.
left foot is.
Yeah, it's wet. I see.
Okay.
Come on.
Wait.
Up, yes. You know well where to pass. You cross right up. That's good.
Wait. Shadi, can I just go?
Oh, sorry.
And careful, you cannot record now.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Or if you can't get to hold me. Thank you. Oh, it's just a start record. Stop it. Okay, guys. Lord, that look like a snake hole. That is a snake hole.
That's a crab hole.
And no crab could have so big. Jesus. Anyway, guys. I'm pretending I'm brave right about now, but I'm not. Anyway. So,
Left.
I'm out of breath and I didn't even make it down. But do we have anything else to check out?
No. Then you have to do the calculation.
Oh, okay. So guys, this was someone's house, backyard, and outside the fence. Let me tell you, I would give a lot to have a piece of land like this. Welcome to Dominica. So guys, this was someone's home. Like, this is a backyard. This was his front yard. And this was just outside of his fence, all on his land. I find this to be very amazing. And you know, Tyrus Riley say the simple things are our blessings. Let me tell you, this is simplicity in a wrapped with a big, big bow called blessing. So thank you for being a part of my journey today. And it continues, but this is part one. See you soon.